Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your RAM usage on your Mac. To check how much RAM is being used, we're going to use Activity Monitor. Go ahead and open Spotlight by pressing Command Space, then type in Activity Monitor. Give it a sec to measure the stats. Next, if you're on the CPU tab, make sure to switch over to the Memory tab. Right here, you'll see a graph showing your memory pressure. If this graph is green like this, it means your Mac has plenty of RAM and is running smoothly. When you open a lot of apps or run heavy tasks, this graph might start turning yellow, which means it's getting close to full. And if your Mac is running out of RAM, you'll see it turn red. Over on the side, you'll see some stats. Physical memory is the total amount of RAM your Mac has installed. Memory used is how much is currently being used. Cached files shows how much memory is being used for caching to speed things up, and swap used tells you how much of your hard drive space is being used as virtual RAM when your physical RAM is full. Up here in the memory column, you can click to sort apps by which ones are hogging the most RAM. For example, Screen Studio is using 30 gigs and Photoshop is using 8 gigs. To close an app, just select it, then click the Stop button up here. Then choose Quit or Force Quit to free up that RAM. So that's a simple way to track your RAM usage using Activity Monitor without needing to install any third-party apps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.